Okay, so welcome, and now we're going to do a couple of examples of plotting polar coordinates. Okay, so it's very easy and straightforward. Once you see a couple of these, you'll know exactly what we're talking about. So again, think about the unit circle, okay? So this is really very synonymous, or not synonymous, but very analogous to just what the work we did with the unit circle, with the angles and everything. The only difference is instead of dealing with a radius of 1, we're dealing with radius of different sizes, okay? So let's plot the first one. So here the radius is 3, so r theta, so this is 3, and we're at an angle of pi over 2, which is 90 degrees. So that means we're at 3 units, so if this each was 1 unit, it'd be 1, 2, 3, so our point would be located right there. So because it makes a 90 degree angle, pi over 2 is right here. And so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 units from the origin. And so this point would represent 3 comma pi over 2. Now what about this one here? Now this one has a negative radius and it has an angle of pi over 6. So there's a couple ways we can plot this one. We can go pi over 6, right, into the counterclockwise, right, just like we normally would. So pi over 6 would be a 30 degree angle, and plot 2, right, so it would be, so if we did a 90 degree angle at 2, if we just plot 2, right, let's say about right there, okay? Now this would be 2 comma pi over 6. So if I wanted negative 2 pi over 6, well then what I would do is I would just extend this in the opposite direction. And so this would be negative 2 pi over 6. And so it would extend into the third quadrant. Or you can just do it in your head and say, okay, I'm going to go pi over 6, right, in the counterclockwise direction, but then just go negative, meaning the opposite direction. Positive would go in the same direction as the angle. Negative would be go the opposite direction, 180 degrees the other direction. Okay? So that's how you would plot this point here, negative 2 comma pi over 6. And that's it. It's that easy. Have a great day.